This video shows what bed bugs and their traces look like under a blacklight, how to use one safely, and what to do once you find glowing spots so you can start sleeping again. Okay, so if you need proof fast, a blacklight can show real signs you're probably missing. This guide walks through what glows, how to use a blacklight safely, and what to do after you find glowing spots. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. Here's a quick reality check about blacklights and bed bugs so you know what you're actually looking for before you start scanning. This one's important. Live bed bugs don't always glow. What lights up are the traces they leave. Fecal spots, shed skins, sometimes eggs or dried blood. Under a long-wave UVA blacklight, those traces often flash pale yellow-green or yellowish white, so they stand out in the dark. You know what really helped us? Under a long-wave UVA blacklight, around 365 nm, these signs often show up as pale yellow-green or yellowish-white fluorescing spots against a dark background. That glow makes tiny stains jump out so you can target where to work. Okay, so common things that glow. Fecal spots, often bright yellow-green clusters along seams and folds, shed skins, faint pale flakes that can glow, and eggs or egg glue. These can sometimes show a faint fluorescence on fabric or wood. Keep in mind dried blood can sometimes fluoresce weakly depending on fabric and age. And expect false positives, things like detergent residue, lotions, some carpet fibers, and certain paints will glow too, so you'll want to verify what you find. This one's important. Use a UVA blacklight, long wave. Don't use UVC sterilizers. They're different and not what you want. And be careful with the beam. Avoid staring into it, and don't shine it directly into anyone's eyes. Here's a simple step-by-step routine you can do tonight to turn a frustrating search into a targeted cleanup. Follow it slowly and methodically. Okay, so here's the inspection routine. Prepare the room, make it fully dark, keep kids and pets out, and use a 365 nm blacklight. Scan methodically, hold the light 6 to 12 inches away and sweep slowly over seams, frames, baseboards, luggage, and clothing piles. Identify likely signs. Look for clusters of glowing dots and pale flakes. If you find something glowing, verify it before you act. Turn the lights on. Fecal spots often look like tiny rust-colored or black specks in daylight. Use a magnifying glass or take close-up photos under both lights so you can compare before starting treatments. Here's why it helps. The blacklight excites organic compounds in waste, skins, and egg glue, so those traces fluoresce and pop against dark backgrounds. That gives you a clear map of where to focus treatment and helps you avoid random spraying that wastes time. If you want to move faster and make treatment easier, check the products we suggest. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. Okay, you found glowing spots? That's actually good. Here's what to do tonight to reduce bites and then how to follow up with targeted treatment. This one's practical. Tonight, put certified bed bug-proof encasements on the mattress and box spring. Wash bedding, clothes, and soft toys on the hottest safe setting and dry on high for at least 30 minutes. Put interceptors under bed legs and move the bed away from walls and furniture. Finish the immediate work by vacuuming seams and edges where you saw glowing spots. Then seal and remove the vacuum contents from your home so you don't spread anything back inside. For treatment, combine physical and chemical steps. Use steam on seams and crevices to kill on contact. Use a contact spray for knockdown and a labeled residual spray only on hot spots. One example schedule is twice weekly for a month, then weekly for 2 to 3 months while you keep encasements and laundering going. Keep rechecking with the blacklight weekly and also look by daylight for live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood. You'll know it's likely gone when none of those signs appear for 3 consecutive months. Expect false positives. Be methodical, document progress with photos, and discreetly check personal items if you share spaces. You can get rid of bed bugs with persistent targeted action. Stay calm and check regularly with your blacklight to track results. For recommended products to make this easier and faster, click the link below.